Alrighty, here we are. It's a couple days later. I still haven't had the car back out of the garage yet, but she's all warmed up. We'll see how the blow-off valve sounds. That's with a CVFabrication downpipe, catless downpipe, the Circuit Concept EcoBoost exhaust, and a Tial 50mm blow-off valve. Go along with the CVFab Race intercooler. I think that sounds pretty good. And yes, I know the vehicle is on. Alright, we'll go out for a driving vid here in a little bit and see how it goes. Alrighty, we're gonna go for a drive. We'll see how she does. The roads are still pretty wet, which isn't really gonna help as much. The car's really dirty because it's always raining and or shitty out here. But we work with what we got, right? Alrighty, we're back in the garage again. Had that quick test drive because that pipe was off. It's in there. Pipe popped off at 23.75 pounds of boost. So I'm back in to recheck all my clamps, make sure everything's tight. Again. All of my pipes are now, even the bungs on the bottom, I checked those. The top, rechecked all of the clamps. They were officially all tight, so let's go out and try this again. Hopefully we won't blow another one up. Good times. So good, up to 22 pounds of boost. It's pretty slippery up here though. I probably shouldn't fuck around too much. And if I recall correctly, with the stock intercooler and all my other mods that I had done, we were hanging around 60, and when I hit the gas, it would drop for a split second, and then it would start shooting up pretty quick to like 76, 80, 90, and that's with these temperatures we're at right now. With the 3 degrees Celsius or like 40 degrees Fahrenheit, whatever that works out to. So yes, the CVFab street tested race intercooler seems to do a pretty damn good job. And the car seems to pull pretty damn hard with it as well. So I'm happy with it. We'll do more testing down the road. back for one more try. Took it out for a couple more drives right after. We're sitting here at 60 right now. Took it out for a couple more drives after the last video ended. And yeah, it's nice being at 40, 39, 40 degrees instead of 100, 105, 110, 120. And it stays low as well, which is a good thing. Like my other intercooler would give it a little drop when you first hit the gas, but then it would fire right up. This one drops and continues to drop and then stays low. So even though I probably lost about half a pound of boost overall, I was like 25.5 before, 25.25. I was seeing that kind of PSI. Now I'm 24.5, 24.6, 24.7. It's just fine with me. The car just seems to run better and pulls way harder on back-to-back-to-back runs than it did previously, even with a tiny little bit less boost. So I like it. It works. It obviously works. It was an easy install, so go check out CVFabrication. And they have a factory mount intercooler as well that mounts in the factory location. As long as the race, there's not that huge of a price difference in between them. I think they're both pretty easy to put in from what I can tell. So go look them up. And the Tial blow-off valve sounds pretty freaking cool, as you could tell at the start of the video. Alright, so have a good day. Feel free to hit the subscribe button. There'll be more coming, especially when I get to the drag strip. Back to the dyno again. And I have a special treat coming for this car as well. I think I may order a new set of forged 19-inch monoblock wheels. Drop a little bit more sneaky weight out of the car. I think the wheels I'm looking at are 22 pounds a piece. So with tires, we're looking like 48, 49 pound total package. And the factory wheels are 60. And the big Ford Stars I had out back before were 65. So we'll be saving a good 40, 50 pounds of rotational mass off the car, which will help as well. And we'll take it to the drag strip if we don't blow it up by then. See what happens there. Maybe I might even do methanol injection, single port. Just nice and easy, just for a little safety. A single port as well. Because the pipes I put on it from CVFab as well already do have a meth port installed in it. So might not be that bad of an install. But we'll get to that in the spring. For now, hope you guys have a good day. Talk to you later.